10 Coolest Doomsday Survival Gear and Gadgets 2025. In this uncertain day and age where disaster can strike at a moment's notice, how ready are you for the unexpected? Surprisingly enough, a new study found that 70% of urban residents don't have an emergency survival plan. Never mind a kit prepared to fend off whatever Mother Nature or the world at large might send their way. But what if you can be among the few that's not just ready, but flourishing when disaster looms? Let's dive in to 2025's greatest survival gadget roundup. We're taking you deep into the world of 10 life-changing doomsday gadgets and gear that'll help you stay alive, up to date, and perhaps even still looking somewhat chic while the apocalypse unfolds. Bear with us. This list could be your top secret key to surviving the end times with some style. Lighting Ever LED camping lantern. When disaster strikes and the power goes out, your first thought might be, how am I supposed to see anything now? That's where the Lighting Ever LED camping lantern comes in. With a super bright LED design that can light up a whole room or illuminate your campsite, this lantern is a must-have in your emergency kit. You might be thinking, but why not just use a flashlight? Well, lanterns like this one provide 360D illumination, which is far more useful in a wide range of survival situations. Whether you're cooking over an open flame or trying to find your way around a dark house, this lantern makes things easier. Plus, it's rechargeable via USB, meaning you can plug it into a solar panel or your car when the power is out. Great for long-term outages. The robust build and long-lasting charge time ensure that even in the direst of circumstances, you'll be able to see what you're doing. Just imagine needing light and having it at the flick of a switch without fumbling around with batteries. This gadget is definitely more than just a convenience, it's a survival necessity. The FosPower Emergency Solar Hand Crank Portable Radio. Let's talk communication. In any emergency, staying informed could make the difference between life and death. The FosPower Emergency Solar Hand Crank Portable Radio is designed for just that, with multiple power options. Solar, hand crank, or USB. This gadget ensures that you'll never lose touch with the outside world, even when the grid fails. Imagine, you're in the middle of a major disaster, and the only thing standing between you and critical information is a dead battery. The FosPower Radio eliminates that problem by giving you the freedom to generate your own power. And let's not forget the built-in flashlight and SOS signal feature. This radio isn't just about keeping you entertained, it's about survival. Plus, with its ability to receive AM, FM, and NOAA weather channels, you'll always be in the loop, whether you're tuning in for weather alerts or important emergency broadcasts. With everything happening around you, staying informed with a reliable radio could be your ticket to surviving the chaos. It's an essential tool for anyone serious about prepping. Garmin Instinct Solar Tactical Edition. When it comes to survival gear, you need something that's tough, reliable, and capable of tracking your every move. Enter the Garmin Instinct Solar Tactical Edition. This isn't just a smartwatch, it's a life-saving piece of technology built to endure the harshest conditions. The solar charging feature means that even when you're out in the wilderness, you're not dependent on outlets or power banks. It's designed to track your location through GPS, monitor your heart rate, and even help with navigation in remote areas. Whether you're trekking through the woods, navigating through a disaster zone, or simply trying to find your way back to civilization, this watch has got your back. With military-grade durability, water resistance, and shock-proof construction, it's essentially a mini survival computer wrapped around your wrist. Think about it. When the world is falling apart, the last thing you want is to be caught unprepared. This watch not only keeps you on track, but ensures you're always connected with your location, your vitals, and your plan. Tact Bivy 2 Emergency Sleeping Bag. No one wants to think about sleeping in sub-zero temperatures or rough conditions, but that's often a reality in survival situations. Enter the Tact Bivy 2 Emergency Sleeping Bag, a piece of gear that could save your life when the temperatures drop and shelters are scarce. This isn't your typical camping sleeping bag. It's made from a high-tech reflective material designed to keep your body heat trapped in while reflecting up to 90% of your body's warmth back to you. Imagine being stuck in freezing conditions with nothing but this bivy to protect you. Its lightweight design makes it easy to carry, and its ability to fold up to a compact size ensures that it won't take up valuable space in your pack. Whether you're out in the wilderness or hunkering down in an urban survival scenario, this sleeping bag could be the difference between surviving the night or succumbing to the elements. As we all know, a good night's sleep is essential to staying sharp in a crisis. So why not invest in something that can guarantee you'll wake up alive? EasyHowy kitchen gadget set. In a survival situation, cooking might be the last thing on your mind. But if you want to stay strong and healthy in the long run, proper nutrition is a must. The EasyHowy kitchen gadget set is an all-in-one survival kitchen kit that combines multiple utensils, cutting tools, and storage in one sleek design. It's perfect for prepping meals in harsh conditions and ensures that you're able to prepare fresh food even when you don't have access to traditional kitchen appliances. The set includes multifunctional tools such as a sharp folding knife, collapsible utensils, and portable storage containers, everything you need to make the most out of limited resources. The compact modular design ensures that the entire set fits into a small space, making it easy to pack without taking up unnecessary room. Think about it. In a doomsday scenario, you'll likely have to scavenge food or cook over an open flame. This kitchen gadget set gives you the tools to do it effectively, ensuring you can eat nutritious meals no matter how grim the situation. Stansport Enamel Camping Tableware Set. Any survival scenario. It's easy to forget about the small comforts of life, like sitting down to a warm meal with functional cookware. The Stansport Enamel Camping Tableware set is designed to meet that need without compromising durability. Made of tough enamel, this set includes plates, bowls, mugs, and utensils that can withstand the rigors of outdoor cooking and eating, making it ideal for long-term survival situations. These dishes can be used over an open flame or on camp stoves, and the enamel coating ensures they are easy to clean even in primitive conditions. The best part? They look pretty stylish, too, so you can enjoy your food in relative comfort, even if civilization feels like a distant memory. When you're eating whatever food you can find, having reliable and sturdy tableware like this can help keep morale up and make you feel a little more human. Plus, it's way better than using makeshift utensils like sticks or your hands. A little bit of normalcy goes a long way when the world has gone haywire. Umiji silicone collapsible cups. What's one of the most overlooked items in survival situations? A cup. You'd be surprised how many people forget to pack something as simple as a drinking vessel when they're preparing their survival kits. That's where the Umiji silicone collapsible cups come in. These cups are ultra-portable, easy to store, and made from food-grade silicone, making them perfect for drinking anything from water to soup. They collapse down to fit into tight spaces, so they won't take up too much valuable room in your pack. When space and weight are at a premium, having collapsible gear like this is a game changer. The silicone design ensures that they're durable, heat-resistant, and easy to clean. Imagine having to go without a cup for days because you couldn't fit a bulky, traditional cup into your pack. These collapsible cups solve that problem and ensure that you stay hydrated or caffeinated throughout your survival journey. Beaver folding campfire grill. When the grid goes down and you can't rely on your stove, what do? You get a campfire grill. The Beaver folding campfire grill is a heavy-duty portable grill that allows you to cook over an open flame wherever you are. It's perfect for camping, survival situations, or even barbecuing in the backyard. This grill folds down into a compact design, making it easy to carry and store. The steel construction ensures that it can handle heavy pots and pans without bending or warping. This means that when you're cooking up your catch or warming up a can of beans, you can trust that this grill will get the job done. Plus, it's great for cooking a full meal over a fire. Perfect for keeping morale up when you're trying to make the best out of a tough situation. With this grill, you won't just be surviving, you'll be eating like a pro in the wilderness. AODU portable backpacking stove. Cooking on the go is a crucial skill in survival situations. That's why the AODU portable backpacking stove is an essential tool for anyone serious about prepping. This compact and efficient stove allows you to boil water, cook meals, and even brew coffee, all while taking up very little space in your pack. Powered by small fuel canisters, this stove is perfect for quick, high-heat cooking when you're in a pinch. It's designed to be lightweight, foldable, and durable, so you can take it anywhere. Whether you're out on a hike, trapped in a disaster zone, or trying to cook your last meal before you head to your bug-out location. The fact that it's portable means you won't be stuck relying on unreliable campfires or scavenged materials. When the situation gets intense, a reliable stove like this one ensures that you stay fed and hydrated without breaking a sweat. Osprey Zenith 105 Backpack. When it comes to surviving a doomsday situation, having a solid backpack can make all the difference. The Osprey Zenith 1.5 backpack is a top-tier, high-capacity bag designed for people who need to carry a lot of gear over long distances. With its robust design, multiple compartments, and advanced suspension system, this backpack can handle everything from food and water to your survival tools and medical kits. The bag is made with durable materials, ensuring it can withstand the wear and tear of extreme conditions. Its adjustable harness system allows for a custom fit, meaning it's comfortable enough to wear for long treks or when you're on the move for days at a time. This isn't just any backpack, it's an investment in your ability to survive. When you're preparing for the worst, the last thing you want is to have your gear break down in the middle of nowhere. With the Osprey Zenith, you can rest easy knowing your gear is safe, secure, and ready for action. If you liked this list, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more survival gear breakdowns, and comment below with your top doomsday must-haves. Until next time, stay prepared, stay safe, and always have a backup plan.